What's good, YouTube? Keith Moore Jr. here, and recently I have hit a plateau in my bulking phase. I'm trying to finish up this bulk strong, but my weight is not changing. So my go-to is a homemade mass gainer shake. Now, I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with going to the supplement store and purchasing a mass gainer shake, and they can get quite expensive. So today I'm going to show you how to make a mass gainer shake from home. I have done a video on this before, but my lighting wasn't the best. It was actually kind of dark in that video. So I'm remaking that video for you now, and I'm hoping that it can help some people that are trying to gain weight and are running out of options. So, have some almond milk here. I think this is brand new. Yes, it is. So, open that. Oh, don't spill, don't spill. I'm just gonna eye it. Yeah, that's probably between like 10 and 12 ounces. What would you say, babe?
Like 10.
Like 10 ounces? Okay, so we're gonna go with 10 ounces of almond milk. I don't really measure anymore, especially when I'm bulking, because I can pretty much eye how much milk I need. So, just got some whey protein. We're going to do 2 scoops of this, and at the end of the video I'll have the macros and the total number of calories on the screen, so you all know exactly how much is in this shake. Alright, 1 scoop, 2 scoops. Then we have peanut butter. Going to get some fats in there. Let me get a spoon. Actually, do we have, this is a teaspoon. Okay. So my measuring spoon for the tablespoon is actually in the dishwasher, so just gonna use this for now. So 2 tablespoons is 1 serving. So if you all can see that, can you see it? 190 calories. Got it? All right. So my caloric intake right now is fairly high. I've been bulking since last October. So I'm pretty much at the very end of this bulk, trying to finish this last week out strong so I can have a good physique update for everyone. So sometimes I'll do 1 serving, but today I'm going to do 2. This isn't the cleanest process, but it's okay, we'll make it happen. That's my 3rd tablespoon, right? My wife like, I don't know.
I wasn't counting.
When I rewatch the video, I'll be able to tell. So this should be the 4th tablespoon. When I go to edit this video, I'll find out. Come on, there we go. So that's 2 servings of peanut butter. Love peanut butter. Which is 4 tablespoons. Then, like I said, once I edit the video, I'll make sure I did 4 tablespoons and not 3. All right. Mixing one more thing, a banana. I really like the flavor that comes with adding a banana to the shake. So I'll just do 1 banana. This should be plenty here. And some people like to, you can buy frozen bananas. I know a lot of people like to do that and add them to their shake and just put in the blender. So that works also if you prefer that method. I like just eating bananas just plain, so I don't really do the frozen route too much. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do that. And sometimes, like in the morning, what I would do is I might add oatmeal to this shake as well. But it's the evening time. I've already eaten quite a bit today, but I'm not hungry at all, and I know I need to consume some more calories, so it's a lot easier for me to do it this way. All right, now we gonna grind it up and then see how it tastes. Got here. Okay. That's fire. Yeah, that's fire. So, as I said, I will have the macros, the total number of calories that are in this shake on the screen, and this will be an easier way for me to consume some calories and continue on my bulking journey without having to worry about trying to eat more food, because right now I am completely stuffed. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video, please share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Peace.